Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this 6-pack of 6-inch Rollin light LED recess lights. They were nice enough to send me these for free so I can make a video showing them to you. We'll go through some of the features and then get one of these guys installed. You can see in the box here we have the 6 LED lights. They come with their 6 junction boxes. These are dimmable lights. They also have 3 K-scale light settings, so you can have a warm light, a daylight, or a cool light, and I'll show you how you change those as well. They're really cool. I like the ultra skinny design. It's even going to be skinnier than your 1/2-inch drywall. That's probably the most likely what you're going to use it on. And it just uses these little spring clips on the back side, so you pop it up there and those are going to hold it in place just like so. Don't have a junction box actually attached to the light that you have to worry about having that additional space. Then it has this little wire here that's going to attach to this guy and our junction box. It's got this hinge door. It just flips right up like that. And we have our 3 wires. It does come pre-installed with these style of wire connectors, and you just back probe them. There's 4 slots you see back there. If you don't want to use them, you can cut those off and use whatever wire connector you may be more used to using. But also we have a couple of mounting holes in the back, and we have a knockout on each of those 3 sides. So a nice simple installation. In the box you're going to get the instructions, but you also get this little circle here. It is a template, don't throw it away. Now it says the hole has to be 6.1 inches, so we're going to see exactly how that works out. Time to install one of these lights. You see I got a scrap piece of drywall here. First thing we're going to do is trace our little template. So we just go around the horn like so. You usually want to have a pen that works. That's why we always bring it back up. Okay, there's our circle. Lots of ways to cut drywall. It's one of the easiest things to cut. I'm going to use this DeWalt drywall cutting tool, but you could use a oscillating tool, a hole saw if you got one big enough. You could use a jab saw. You could use a razor knife. But we're doing it this way. So we have what is close to a circle. It's circle-ish. It's in the realm of circle. Now all we have to do is push our tabs back and drop it in the hole. Make sure our wire's on the correct side back there. Push that guy underneath there. Push it into place. Push this guy up underneath here. Drop it down. And bam. Perfectly mounted LED recess light. See what it looks like on the back side. Actually rotate it so it grabs it a little differently. There you go. Now let's wire up our junction box. Time to get her wired up. You see I got the wire coming in through one of the knockouts there. We have our green here, and you just back probe this guy and shove it in there and it'll lock into place. And you see, nice tight fit there. So then obviously black to black, white to white. So just do the same thing. You can see there's actually 4 holes, so you can link them together there. And we're all locked in. And there we go. All wired up. Just close this back up. So we got that portion wired up. Now we just need to plug this in. You can see this groove right here matches a groove on this plug. So we just put these guys together like so. Get our little nut there. And we're all hooked up. We just got to get power to the other side. Back at the workbench, time to do a little test. Now to change the hue of the light, you simply flip the switch on and off. So if you flip it on, off, it'll change the hue each time. If you leave the light on for at least 10 seconds and then turn it off, it's going to memorize which hue you are at, and it'll always turn it on to the same one. And if in the future you want to change it again, flip it on and off a couple of times, and you'll get it back to the reset mode. Choose whichever one you want. And again, so I'm going to show you that first because that's the easiest thing, and then we'll take a more general look at the light here. So let's go through the different hues. See, that's warmer. Let's see if we back it up, if you can tell from the camera any better. You can tell it's a little hard to see. It's the warm light, the daylight. I like the daylight myself, so we're going to keep it right at that one. So we'll leave it on for several seconds there. Now I'm going to turn it off. We're going to leave it off for at least 5 seconds. And now we can turn it back on. And it goes right back to where we started. So there it is, guys, the Rollin Light 6-inch 6-pack of LED recessed lights. Thanks for watching.